Is anyone at home?
Hey, please come in.
Have this sweet first. I have a good news.
My brother is blessed with a baby.
Wow, Auntie, this is really great news. Your brother's child is born with a silver spoon in his mouth.
ও মা চামচ মুখে নিয়ে জন্মেছে, এ কেমন কথা? Hey, Mom, this is an English idiom.
মা, তোমাকে কতবার বলেছি ইউটিউবে ইফা ইংরেজি অফিসিয়াল চ্যানেলের ভিডিও দেখতে। I watch it regularly and my English language skills have improved a lot since then.
And that's why you have been able to improve English language skills in such a short time.
Thank you so much for your kind words. Okay, I will see EFA Spoken English official YouTube videos every day from now on. Okay, let's sit and talk.